Hey y'all, let's see what we've got here. Oops. Ooh, smoked chicken and veggies. And, ooh, steamed veggies. Oh, that smells so good. Let's see what's in this other container. I think, yes, that's my fries. Let's taste a fry. Yeah. They're damn, but those are good fries. Howdy. So, see if I can get you situated here. Somehow I started recording this and I forgot to hit the record button apparently. So, as you saw, we got smoked chicken, we got sauteed veggies that need some seasoning. We've got a big old plate of fries. This is from the where are we? The Hideout Steakhouse in not in Myton, but near Myton, Utah. No food for kids, and nothing for puppies. Even if you're sitting cute, maybe a fry. Honest. Don't look at me like that. I'm getting the sad puppy dog face. So, Myton is a teeny tiny town of like 25 people. No, I think it's like 500 people. If you go 5 miles outside of town, you'll find the Hideout, if you're lucky. And just look at that smoked chicken. Look at that. This is incredible, y'all. They're known for their steaks. They cook them on they'll put them on a sizzling rock, a stone, and bring them out to you. Oh, man, that's good. And it'll continue cooking. Your steak will continue cooking on that stone, and when you reach the point where you want it, you yank it off the stone. So you get some control, or you just tell them I want it medium rare or whatever, and they'll cook it for you. But the stone is a neat little. This is just so good. The easiest way to find it is to head towards 9 Mile Canyon in Utah. They're on the road that leads to 9 Mile Canyon from the north. If you're not familiar, 9 Mile Canyon is actually about 30 miles, just under 30 miles, running from the Hideout to Price. It's where all the wall carvings are, petroglyphs, made by the Fremont Indians hundreds and thousands of years ago. It's now Ute territory and oil territory. If you ever get a chance, it's one of the most amazing drives. Prepare to take your time and stop and look for some of the really amazing carvings. There's the famous buffalo hunt carving near the out in the middle of nowhere. There's also right near there is cave dwellings of the Fremonts. I can't recommend it enough. One drive I took with my mom 20 years ago, we came across a herd of deer that was the largest herd I've ever seen. Easily 100 deer grazing. It was spectacular. Haven't been lately. Haven't been here lately. But do it. Do it! So where were we? Grilled, or the smoked chicken, incredibly smoked chicken. Sauteed veggies, fries, $16. The fries are a little wimpy and they're getting cold. And when you're in Utah, you don't get ketchup with your fries, you get fry sauce. Everyone brags they've got the best. It's like, I don't know, Thousand Island dressing and ketchup and mustard or something. Maybe some relish. Theirs is okay, sweet and tangy. The fries are good, but I do not like wimpy fries. I do not like them, Sam I am. I like fries that'll get up and walk away on their own. But they're good. They're hand cut. They're just the veggies need a little bit of fat. Need a little seasoning, but they're good. They've gotten cold. Well, I've tried to talk to you. $16 for all this. A T-bone's around $45, or a just look at that. They're a hamburger's $10. A 50-50 burger, which is ground beef, ground pork, and bacon, all mixed up and ground together, is $11. And that's with fries. I may have to go back for lunch tomorrow. I haven't eaten there since I've been on this trip, and I'm ashamed of myself. This is easily the best thing I've had in my mouth since I've been in Utah. And I really want one of their burgers now. But they're a thumbs up if you ever make it to the upper, the Uintas, Uinta Valley, Uinta, I don't know, we're like 5,000, 6,000 feet up here. Uinta Basin, that's the word. Make it to the Uinta Basin. It's worth finding the hideout. Make it a all-day thing. Stop for lunch and head down to Price through 9 Mile Canyon, or come back the other way, have supper, whatever. You walk into the building and the aroma of steak being grilled just overcomes you. It's a definite thumbs up, and I'm going to stuff my face now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for your support, and thanks for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!